Hey there, are you ready to take your keyword game to the next level? With Speed PPC, you can easily find new keywords to target. In the Research tab, you'll find two specific keyword tools, the Suggest Keyword Report and the Expand Keyword Report. The Suggest Keyword Report is great for finding new keywords based on an existing one. It will go wide and try and find you a variety of different keywords that are related to your original keyword. You can add a word or phrase and select from different country databases. Obviously, the biggest database is the US one, but you've got a number of other databases that are likely smaller and yield smaller results, but could be useful if you're looking for a very specific language-based keyword search. When using the Suggest Keyword Report, you'll also see metrics such as sweet spot, search volume, cost per click, keyword intent, competition value, and trends report. These metrics will help you find keywords that are more likely to convert, and you can filter them by commercial and transactional keywords. Once you've found the keywords you like, you can export them or save them to a keyword set. Our other keyword research report is the Expand Keyword Report. If you're looking to expand on a keyword that is already working for you, the Expand Keyword Report is perfect. It will expand the original keyword in a more closely related way. This is great for finding those high-performing, long-tail keywords. You can also save these keywords as a brand new keyword set, append it to another list, or replace a list completely. And if you want to generate more results, you can just hit the More button. So there you have it, a quick intro into the Suggest and Expand keyword reports. These tools will help you find new and related keywords to target, giving you a wider reach and increasing your chances of conversions. Happy keyword hunting.